Have you ever had problems with wind noise when taking video with your camera? This product here is called Micover. It's for DSLR, camcorders, and point-and-shoot cameras. And I'll open them. This is what you get when you order it. So you get stickers here. A warranty card, 90-day warranty. Instructions. And a sticker. And these are what they look like. You got 3 felt pads. 4 felt pads. And some bigger ones here with a lot of, looks like fur almost on them. And what you would do is take one of these O-ring style stickers on the bottom. You put one on the bottom of one of these mic covers and peel it off and stick it on the camera. I did this earlier when I did my, you're going to hear a test in a few minutes of this camera with wind noise. And when I put the sticker on, it came off easy off the paper, but when I put the sticker on the mic cover, I had a real hard time to get it cut open. I had to take my X-Acto knife and make a score in it, so I was able to get in there and grab it and take off the other layer of paper. It's because it's a two-phase tape. So that is Micover, and it's actually a fairly good product. It's whoever designed it really had their thinking cap on. So I'm gonna do a demonstration with my camcorder. It's not windy outside tonight, so I couldn't do any outside shots. So what I did was I blew into the camera instead, just so you would hear what how bad the wind noise is. And this is a Sony Handycam, and let's give it a shot right now. This is a test without Micover on. I have to blow into it because it's not windy outside. I'm going to try and reproduce the wind. Okay, now with mic covers installed, I have installed 2 of them for right and left channels. Let's blow again and see if you can hear any wind noise. As you can tell from the test, there's a big difference having the mic covers on and off. With them on, you can still hear a bit of wind noise. The camera's picking up just a little bit of wind noise, but mind you, I'm blowing directly into the microphone. And I don't think that's a real world situation being outside. So it's getting rid of 95% of the wind noise, which I think is fantastic. And here you have 2 photos. Photo of the mic covers before they're installed and the mic cover after is installed. It looks a bit funky with them installed, but it doesn't get in the way of the lens. You can't see them with the camera on. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to the company who supplies this product, and you have to buy it on, I think, Amazon. I'm not sure where else you can buy it, but I bought mine through Amazon, and they're not that cheap. But it's worth the price of getting rid of wind noise, because wind noise really irritates me when I go outside and record. So I'm happy with the product. Check it out and see what you think. Thanks for watching.